Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, for this week's video I'm very excited to film because today is a day where I'm going to make cooking video, the most requested video on my YouTube channel that no one has requested, but still I'm gonna do it because I love to do it. So yeah, so today I'm making noodle with my special recipe that is my personal addition that I was love to share with you guys. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Before getting into this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and without any further ado, let's get this video started. Okay, so before making noodle we need noodle, obviously. By the way, we have put macaroni in it also, and in veggies I'm putting onion, tomatoes, chili and capsicum. This is like whole the veggies that I'm putting in it. So okay, so now let's cut the veggies.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this.
Okay, so I have cut all the veggies, now let's cook them.
Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.
Okay, so in masalas I'm putting turmeric, Szechuan rice masala. This is the masala. This is the secret ingredient which is going to give a very good taste in it. And salt and Ajinomoto. I don't know if you guys can see this. Like this is look like crystal. So this is what I'm putting in it.
유난히도 캄캄한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지. 한결 편안해지고 했어. 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈 매번 지루했어. 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어. 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 루 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last.
Okay, so now let's taste this. Not bad, it's so good. Too much good. This is actually so good. Now I'm going to enjoy this. Okay guys, so the noodle was so good and I literally just can't get over the taste of it. you guys definitely put the Szechuan rice masala. This is what I had put in it, and this is just going to be like fire. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell because it's free. And if you guys made it till here, comment on these emojis, and see you in next video guys. Till then, bye bye.